it's Brittany Malone. Welcome back to my channel. It's been weeks, I know. I don't think you would believe me if I told you that I tried to upload a video, like a makeup tutorial, get ready with me, and it was like 52 minutes long because I didn't edit it, and it took like 7 days, and on the 7th day, it just stopped. Yeah, so there we go. And then life and everything else. But I have been eating healthy. I weigh 152. Right now, I just weighed myself. I just got back from my walk. I did 1.7 miles. My baby got sick, and then my eldest son, Colin, my 9-year-old, got sick, and took them to the doctor because we live in Florida, so you know the COVID is like rampant. And they got a test and they're negative, thank the Lord, thank you. And then all of a sudden I woke up this morning with my throat hurting, but it didn't help that last night, excuse me, if you're a mom, you understand, I got thrown up on, you know, coughed on, sneezed on, drooled on, you know, mom life. Anyways, so I'm going to make, instead of me eating dinner tonight because I'm not really feeling that well, I am going to, this is my second bag of lean. I just opened it, so I just got it in the mail today, so I was very happy. So I'm going to make me a shake. So what we do is we get 1 scoop of the LadyBoss lean, okay? Boop. This is the magic ingredients, or ingredient, sorry about that. So 1 scoop of that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some chia seeds. I get these from Walmart. You get this huge bag. And then hemp. I'm gonna put some hemp seeds also in mine. So all I'm gonna do with that is, hang on 1 second, don't mind my dirty kitchen, please. I'm just going to do a tablespoon of each. So you hear my son coughing. And this right is why here. I think they got sick. I took them to this water park. Ooh, and I shouldn't. That's a bad one. You okay? So 1 tablespoon of chia seed and 1 tablespoon of hemp. Okay? Get that away. Then I'm gonna put 8 ounces of my brand new unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And I like the Almond Breeze, but obviously you can buy any brand you like, but this is what I get, okay? I'm gonna fill this up. You know what I need? I need a measuring cup. No, I don't. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna use this cup. I'm gonna fill it up. Normally I do about 8 ounces, and normally I have my other thing. Just use a little bit more. Okay, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of ice. I have this real fancy, I'm gonna take you guys with me so you can see my fancy ice maker. Oh look, there's my mama. My mom passed away 3 years ago. There I am, pregnant, sitting on a log. This is my nanny. And yeah, okay, so anyways, here's my little ice maker. My opal needs to be cleaned, but I'm telling you, this ice tastes just like Chick-fil-A ice. I'm just gonna do 1 scoop, okay? It's like well, let's do, sorry, I'm gonna do 2. It's like Chick-fil-A and Sonic ice, like put together, okay? Yeah, all right, don't mind my kitchen. Okay, so then it's gonna be like, hold on, because I gotta swap, well I can't. So it's gonna be like this full. Well, I guess I can do it like this. Hello. All right. So then, you know, I have a Ninja. Let me put you guys there. I have a Ninja. I'm going to put the top one. It's going to be a little loud for a second. Steve, do you have Savannah? I don't want her to be scared. Do you have Savannah?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. So put it in and press start. 12 seconds. Then I'm gonna taste it first. Look at me, look at my weak self. Oh my goodness, I put my top on too. I put it on too tight, now I can't get it off. Okay, it's perfect. Anyways, so yeah, there is my yummy dinner. I don't care what I'm drinking. I always spill something on me. Plus I'm a little shaky because it was really, really hot and the humidity was really bad today. I was gonna add some of my greens in here, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow after I work out, when I do, because this is like, you know, this is a meal replacement. You can go to LadyBoss.com and check it out. It's, I mean, I think it's the normal price of protein powder or a meal replacement. Oh my goodness, my little son, I just gave him something with an antihistamine in it because he's coughing, but at least we know that he doesn't have the flu or corona. So the doctor said it was a virus, so just has to pass through. Anyways, I'm gonna try that tomorrow because, like I said, it tastes like they say this tastes like apple pie. So if you mix it with the lean, I know I've told you this before, it tastes like apple a la mode, you know, like with the vanilla ice cream on it. Anyways, it's really good, guys. Like I said, I've had a lot going on. Obviously, I can only upload a video 15 minutes, that's it. 15 minutes long. So this one's about to be 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So I really want to do a makeup tutorial, and I really want to tell you guys a lot what's been going on, but I guess we'll do it another day. But it's nice seeing you guys again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Uh-oh, Savannah's getting fussy. She needs mama. So, kisses to all of you guys. God bless. Much love. See ya.